What's the meaning of assemblage? Assemblage. Assemblage.
Assemblage. Assemblage. Assemblage refers to a collection or gathering of various things, often brought together for a specific purpose. The result of an assemblage can be a complex and diverse mixture of elements, creating a unique and dynamic whole. Assemblages can take many forms, from art installations to ecological communities. They can be intentionally created or emerge organically. The beauty of an assemblage lies in the interplay between its individual components, which come together to form something greater than the sum of its parts.